car sounds like after the catalytic converter was stolen. I put on the emergency hazard so people know something's wrong with the car and I'm not doing it on purpose. But yeah, so right now I'm going 53. If you can hear as I accelerate. Hopefully no one calls the police on me for driving it. I'm trying to bring it back home, but anyways, yeah, I'll show you guys later when I start the car what it sounds like. Alright, see you guys later. So I got about 15 miles to go and the gas thing is blinking. I hope I have enough gas. The efficiency dropped quite a bit, so I think it was showing like 54 point something miles per gallon earlier. I don't know if it's because of the cold or just the lack of the catalytic converter that's messing it up. But now the check engine light is on. I don't remember if that was on earlier or not. But yeah, hope I make it. Alright, I think I have about 12 miles to go. I'll probably put in 2.5 gallons because it's a little bit less efficient, it seems. I don't know what it's going to sound like going up the mountain. That's probably going to be bad. Hopefully it makes it up the mountain, the overpass mountain. Otherwise I'll be stranded for a bit, but alright, we're going to go to the gas station and we'll find out. So people are always talking about range anxiety in EVs, but right now I'm having range anxiety. I don't know how much range I have left in this little dot. So hopefully we make it. I think I have less than 2 miles to go. And you can see the efficiency dropped a lot. But yeah, from the cold weather and probably the catalytic converter missing as well. Anyways, see you at the gas station. Filling gas. I'm only gonna put 2.5 gallons in here because I'm not gonna be able to drive the car, so 2.5 should be enough. Alright, it's more than enough, and we'll start the car. So, put in 2.5 gallons, and to give you the full effect, I open the window. Here we go. Alright, I better go. People are gonna get me. The funny thing, because this is a hybrid, when it's running on battery, as you can see, there's no engine noise. But I'm about to exit onto the freeway. Oh, here you go. Alright, so you can hear. Alright, see you guys later. So right now, I get both. I get the noisy car, and I get the silent car. I still don't understand how people can like hearing this for extended periods of time. It basically sounds like I'm listening to a weed whacker or a lawnmower. I mean, I understand that different engines have different sounds, but I still don't understand how this would be enjoyable. Or I guess it can sound like an airplane as well if you're in one of those single prop airplanes. But anyways, my mileage is dropping. I probably should have put like 3 or 4 gallons, but it is what it is. Hopefully we make it. So the one interesting thing with this, because you can hear the engine noise a lot more, you can actually hear when you're pushing up a hill and going back down one. Like you hear the engine working a bit harder now, going up the hill, and then now it's flattened out, it's quieter. If I push it more, you can hear it. But you'll easily know when you're going like down a hill. See, like I'm going down. So it kind of scared me a few times because when I didn't know I was going down that steep of a slope, and then the engine noise was just dying and I thought the gas was running out, but it's just because it's lowering the RPMs and it's switching battery. But yeah, we're gonna keep going. We got about 55 miles or so to go. Passing all the windmills. Straight and tailgating. I don't know why, but they were. Apparently they don't know what the hazard lights mean. If you see a car with their hazard lights on, you don't want to follow them very close because chances are something's wrong with their car like this. That's what the hazard lights are for. Hills are so nice and green right now from the winter weather. It rains a lot. We don't get snow. Sorry, I was mistaken, not 40 something miles, about 32 miles now. Going down the hill or mountain now, so the engine is quieter. Alright, picking up speed. But yeah, alright, see you guys later. So going downhill, the engine is actually running a little fast. I would have thought it would switch to battery while rolling downhill, but apparently not. That's the engine. No, it shouldn't be running in reverse. It's just putting power to the hybrid battery, I guess. But it's a lot quieter now. Okay. Yeah, probably got about 26 or so miles to go. So we're climbing this hill. The car has a lot less power with the catalytic converter missing because there's not enough pressure, I guess. Technically I'm not pushing it down that far, but I'm a little worried since it's so, I don't want to mess it up. There's all these cars here. Well, speed limit's 35 anyways because of work zone, so I don't have to go so fast. Okay. Anyways, we're almost home. I think like less than 20 miles. Going down the hill now. Hear the sound difference. This mountain is pulling me down. The road here is like so messed up. I have to drive like somewhat over to the left or to the right a little bit. Everyone's driving fast here. Guess I'll hurry up a little bit. Alright, anyways, see you guys later. Just so you can hear the difference when I push the gas. Engine cut itself. So around 35 or so, the engine cuts itself off, it seems. So I guess if you're going down a hill, unless you're going slow enough, it's gonna keep running the engine. So I don't know where it actually starts up again. We're going about 40. Oh, there you go. So about 42, it started itself back up. See this huge line of cars here. gallon. I don't think you can see it. There's too much sun glare on the screen. But we made it. Hopefully we can make it on battery power all the way up to my house. We'll see. Nope. Guess not. Hopefully the neighbors won't be mad. It's taking a long time to park their car. Been stuck behind them for a while. Alright, let's make it up this hill. Almost there. Can't keep it on battery power, so anyways, we're here, so see you guys in another video. Bye. So even with the catalytic converter here, the cats don't the cats don't get scared with the loud engine noise. So there's this tailpipe thing here, but the area where it connects is cut off. I can't get under there, but it's supposed to connect to the car, I think, under there somewhere, and there's nothing attached there. I can't get my hand in there. I don't know how they cut that out like that. How? Like, there's not even that much room under my car. But maybe I can see from here. No? Oh, there. It's cut off there. And somewhere up here, I can't see what I'm looking at. I can't see what I'm looking at. But I'm gonna put my phone here, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like. I don't know if you can actually see. I'm gonna drop my phone upside down here. Let's start it up. And that's what it sounds like. All right, I'll see you all later. I'm gonna feed the cats. Bye.